And we're going to do a little effect today involving ambitious cards. So I'm going to get someone to pull out a card at random. We can all look at it. It can even be signed. This card can be signed as well. It doesn't matter. It's lost in the deck like so. A couple of cuts given. And now the command is given for the card to rise. Rise, rise. And of course, it has not risen. Snap our fingers, rise, rise. And sure enough, there's the King of Hearts, all risen up from the pack. Now, that's easy enough to do the first time, but can we do it a second time? Who knows? Let's find out. And so we'll go rise, 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 snap our fingers, and lo and behold, here is that same King of Hearts that's risen to the top. Now we bury it into the middle of the deck somewhere, snap our fingers, and nope, there it is. It has risen to the deck, to the top of the deck. We take it, we place that King of Hearts somewhere in the middle, rise, rise, rise. Tell you what, we'll give a spectator half the pack, I'll take half the pack, rise, rise, rise. Nope, the card has not risen, but the spectator looks in his half, and yes, sirree, it has risen to the top, upon which time they just freak out. It's really, really cool. So, we'll place this card somewhere in the middle again of the pack, and this time we'll take the card. Oh, it has risen already. This is so weird. We'll take that risen card, that King of Hearts, place it back into the middle, snap our fingers, rise, rise, rise. Here it is again to the top. Another invaluable and yet standard card effect is a 4-ace effect, and there are numerous ways how to do a 4-ace effect. You can use a key card, which I sell at Merry Minstrel Magic website, and that will allow you to find a card instantly, or multiple cards just by feel. Completely invisible, this gimmicked card is, but it works amazingly. Another way to do a 4-ace effect is actually really, really simple, and then I'll explain the sleights later, but this is how it goes. So, do a couple of multiple cuts like so, and then what we'll do is we'll get someone to touch the back of any card, maybe 4 cards in all, that's 2, and they touch a third one, and I get them to touch a fourth one like so. So really, we're all set in that they have selected 4 cards at random. And these 4 cards at random are actually placed face down on the working surface, be it a table or a close-up mat or whatever it is. You snap your fingers, but first you show that all the cards are indeed different, and yet 1 ace was found. Wouldn't that be amazing if a second ace was found? Second ace was located. Now remember, this was purely at random. They merely touched the back of any cards. I'd say if we got 3 out of 4, that would be amazing. Sure enough, we have a 3 out of 4 count. And let's see if we did find that ace of clubs. That would mean 4 out of 4, a virtual impossibility, and yet here it is. You can work wonders in conjunction with the 4 aces. So here are 4 coins. They can be quarters, they can be dollars, depending again on your routine and presentation. Maybe you've got some gimmick coins that are Canadian or American or whatever. But we'll just say for the purposes of presentation, we've got 4 aces here, and we've got 4 Canadian quarters here. But they could be dollars, loonies, toonies, which look really cool as well. What you proceed to do is you proceed to place on top of each coin one of the aces. And then you proceed to show the coin under each card. You blow magic breath, and believe it or not, the coin has gone over there. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, and believe it or not, the third coin has traveled, and with a little flip, you show the coin is gone. All 4 coins having assembled under one card. That's referred to as a matrix, a coin matrix, if you will.